Hi guys, welcome to another informative video of my channel. Don't worry, be happy. Hope all of you are safe. We are all facing tough times in life now. I am here to talk about certain effective simple methods apart from washing hands, wearing masks and maintaining social distancing to reduce the risk from COVID-19 drastically.
It is always best to wear both the mask and the face shield. Wearing a mask, however good it is, even an N95 mask, and those masks having valves let out the virus while the person wearing them exhales if he happens to be a carrier of the virus. But if he and those surrounding him wear both masks and face shields, the virus does not spread from him, neither the others in close vicinity contract the virus.
If you want to buy this face shield, the link is given in the description below. This is called the Neti Pot, which is used to clear the nasal passage. The brand is Neti, which I ordered from Amazon. There are various brands available, but I ordered this because it is very simple to use, reasonably priced and very easy to carry wherever you go because it has a free pouch in it. This is how the Neti Pot looks. It comes with a cap which has to be opened to fill the tool with water. But remember to remove the lid while using. It has a nozzle on the other side which has to be inserted into the nostril. So this is how it looks. And it also comes with a free carry pouch which helps you to carry it wherever you go.
Ensure to take lukewarm potable water in the Neti Pot. Always breathe with the mouth during this procedure. Tilt your head down and be careful to keep the level of the nose much lower than the ear. Place the nozzle of the Neti Pot into one nostril. Raise the level of the Neti Pot gradually so that the water enters that nostril and comes out through the other, completely clearing the nasal passage. Repeat the same procedure with the other nostril. If the level of the ear is not above the nose, water may enter the ear passage behind the eardrum, causing pain, and also let the water flow into the nostril slowly. If done with force, you may feel pain in the nasal passage. After the procedure is done, wipe the nose dry. If you wish to buy this product, the link is given in the description box below.
For using the Neti, please remember to clear your nasal passages by breathing out. Close one side of the nostril and breathe out forcefully 10 times. Repeat the same procedure by closing the other nostril and breathing out 10 times. Then release this nostril and do the same procedure with both the nostrils open and breathe out 10 times. After clearing the nasal passage using the Neti Pot, make sure to wipe your nose dry. The next step is take this Betadine oral rinse solution which comes with a cap. Fill half the cap with the solution and the remaining half with water to dilute it. Use this solution to apply on the inner walls of your nostrils and then gargle your mouth for 30 seconds. Follow this procedure twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. I have taken the Betadine solution in this cap. I have filled half the cap with Betadine solution and diluted it with water. Now I am taking a cotton bud, dipping it in this solution, applying on one side of the nostril, turning the cotton bud and following the procedure to apply on the other side of the nostril. After that procedure, gargle your mouth with this Betadine solution for 30 seconds. This procedure of applying the Betadine oral rinse on the inner walls of the nostrils is to kill the virus, if any, and gargling the mouth is to kill the virus if present on the walls of the throat. So friends, if you have found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't worry, be happy. Those who have not subscribed to my channel, please do, to motivate and support me and to watch many more interesting, exciting and informative videos like these. Bye. Thank you.